I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you some interesting questions on circle. The question here is, determine if the point is on, inside or outside this circle x square plus y square equals to 45. Explain your reasoning. So in this particular case, I will rather explain you the reasoning and then you can do the calculations and find the answer. So we have equation of a circle which is x square plus y square equals to 45. So let me just sketch one here. Okay, so that's approximately my circle. Now the circle is x square plus y square equals to 45. That means these points here are square root of 45, correct? So we can find square root of 45 in decimals, which is, let me just do it, square root of 45 equals to 6.7 approximately, right? So let me write here minus 6.7. Well, these are the points all around, right? Approximately minus 6.7. Now what I'm trying to say here is that the center is at the origin and the radius is around 6.7, correct? That is the whole idea. So this is 6.7, that's the radius. Now exact value is square root 45. Now if the point is inside the circle, then the point's distance from 0 should be less than square root of 45. In case that distance is exactly same, then it lies on the circle, and if the distance is more than this, then it is outside the circle. So that is the strategy which should be followed to answer this question, right? So basically we are given these points and you need to find distance between the point and origin, right? So that is what you need to find. So the idea is that you need to find distance between the point and origin, which is 0, 0, right? So for example, the very first one, and you can always use the distance formula, which you know is distance is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So that's the formula to be used, right? So let me apply it once for you. For the first point, it should be equal to square root of x value is 6, right? So you'll say 6 minus 0 whole square plus minus 3 minus 0 whole square, square root. So that gives you 6 square is 36 plus 9, right? Which is, when you add them up, it is 45 indeed, right? So this is the point 6 minus 3. That means somewhere here it will be right on the circle. So this point is on the circle. Likewise, you can do the calculation for the other 2 points, right? And figure it out, right? That is what it is. So basically it is a square plus b square square root, since that 0 is to be taken away, so you get the same value, correct? So for example here it will be 7 minus 0 whole square, let's say minus 7, plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square, square root, which is 49 plus 4, correct? Now in this case it is greater, correct? So it is 49 plus 4 is 53. So working in square root really helps. So minus 7 minus 2 will be kind of outside. Let us say somewhere here. So this point is minus 7 minus 2 for you, which is going to be outside. And that point is 6 minus 3, which is on the circle. So the next point you can actually calculate and figure it out where it lies. That should be a good practice for you. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.